siguro, pati yung mga bata, nakikita ko naman sa kanila na ang close nila kay Ma'am Let bilang mother nila sa loob ng klase. Okay, she's a good faculty sa Humanities and Social Science Department, and happy ako para kay Mami.
When I started to function as department chair, I know that I am surrounded by sincere and supportive, competent faculty members, and of course, one of them is Ma'am Espinas. Ma'am, the institution is very fortunate to have a very qualified and dedicated faculty member like you. I know that it will be difficult for you to temporarily lead the IP, and also for us in the department to fill up the space that you will need. But we cannot stop the clock from running, and life must go on. I will just rely on your promise that you will come back soon. Congratulations for reaching 35 years of teaching from Sindangan Agricultural School to DIP. It was indeed a great milestone for your career. If there's a good thing that will serve as your consolation for reaching the age of 60, that is, you will earn 20% discount in everything that you will buy, and you will have more time with your family and yourself. Happy retirement, Ma'am. My best of luck to you. Don't fall in love with other schools. We will wait for you.
Since ko lang sa iyo sa Christmas na ito ang darating, sana huwag kang huwag sa mga pagkain mo, dahil alam mo naman, sakit ka, kaya dandahan lang sa pagkain mo. At saka itong darating na Christmas, sana hindi ka magwagaw sa samahan natin kahit may edad na tayo. Pilitin mo na matatag ka pa rin, malakas ka pa rin. Ganon din ang gagawin ko sa sarili ko. Sikapin na rin na malakas pa ako. At saka, okay, kung naano mo ngayon, kita mo itong kanto na ng lahat ng mga sinasabi ko, totoo yun. Dapat magbago tayo, magbago na tayo.
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do, thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to